If Capcut is showing a network error when you try to export, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a performance setting, an outdated app version, or export settings that are a little too demanding for your device. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that can help you get back to exporting your videos smoothly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Capcut fixes and editing tips. Let's jump in. First, we're going to turn off hardware acceleration inside Capcut. This is one of the most common fixes when export errors happen because hardware encoding can sometimes conflict with your device or cause instability during rendering. Open Capcut, then go to the menu option. From there, click Settings and then Open Performance. In this section, look for the option that says Speed up hardware encoding. Uncheck that box, then click Save to apply the change. After that, try exporting your video again and see if the network error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to completely close Capcut, restart your device, and check for updates. Sometimes the app just needs a fresh restart to clear temporary glitches. Make sure Capcut is fully closed, not just minimized in the background. Then reboot your computer or phone, wait for it to fully turn back on, and open Capcut again. Once you're back in the app, check whether there's an update available. If there is, install the latest version because bugs like export errors are often fixed in newer updates. After updating, try the export one more time. Now, if Capcut is still giving you trouble, the third fix is to lower your export settings. High-resolution exports can put a lot of pressure on your device, especially if you're working with limited memory or a large project. Try reducing the resolution from 4K down to 1080p, or even lower if needed. You should also lower the frame rate if your current settings are very high. This can make the export much easier for your device to handle and can often stop the network error from appearing. Once you've adjusted those settings, export again and check the result. In many cases, one of these 3 steps will solve the issue right away. Start with hardware acceleration, then restart and update Capcut, and finally reduce your export quality if needed. That combination usually fixes the network error and helps stabilize the export process. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Capcut troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.